Yeah.
We're starting with parting our hair. We're working with the first half of our hair, so like I guess pick a side, whatever side you choose. I'm going to grab my Beyond the Zone, turn up the heat, fly iron protectant. I really love this protectant because it doesn't make my hair oily or greasy, and it just gives me the protection that I need from the heat that we're about to apply by blow drying it. So now I'm just going to take my blow dryer that actually has a comb on the end. Just make sure you detangle your hair before you start blow drying. It just helps make the process a little bit easier. So this is me just blow drying my hair.
A broken heart never heals, never gets a cast. So she's your prototype and now I'm just an outcast. Hey ma, what's up? Alright, and we gon' make love tonight. Nah, fuck it, we gon' get to a bag. I'm just a young OG, can't let you.
Wow, like I haven't straightened or blow dried my hair in such a long time, and to see the difference from it being curly is really crazy. Now both sides of my hair are blow dried, and now I'm gonna go in and start to straighten. So we're just gonna section our hair off. So how I section my hair off is I did half up, half down, and then from the back that's down I went and did little sections. And a part that I did not show you guys is before I did straighten it, I did add my cheese Silk Infusion serum. So I just add that to the pieces I'm about to straighten. And then while we are straightening, oh, this is me showing you what I use, but while we're straightening our hair, we're going to do the chase method. So what the chase method is that you're just grabbing a rat tail comb and you're just going to pull onto your hair with the comb and then follow the comb with the straightener. So that's what I'm doing here, and you're just chasing the comb. And if you do see a little bit of smoke, that could mean that my hair is still a little bit damp, or even from the spray and the serum that I added to my hair, that's what's causing that extra heat. So it's not burning. And also, I do know that you're not supposed to go over your hair too many times with the straightener. That is going to cause extra heat damage. But if I am going to straighten my hair, I want it to be as flat and sleek as I can get it. So that's why I kept going over it. You can do the same, but it's personal preference. Once I get to the middle section of my hair, I'm then going to part it straight down the middle, and because I want to have a middle part, so that's what I'm doing. And this is how I do the front of my hair to make sure it's as sleek as I can get it. So I section it off into these two pieces, and I just work on one piece at a time. I'm adding the serum once again, and because this is the last section and it's the top section, I'm just going to add a little bit more of the turn up the heat protecting spray just to the ends though, and then I'm going to clear out my hair and then break this piece up into little sections as well, and then just go ahead and do the chase method. And yeah, I'm going to stop talking so you can see what I'm doing. It's really self-explanatory from this point, or the entire thing was.
40. Never put more effort out if it ain't having hate. A broken heart never heals, never gets a cast. So she's your prototype and now I'm just an outcast. Hey ma.
Now I'm just going to take the comb and go over the top just in case I happen to have any bumps or any pieces that aren't straight. So this is just me doing my last step for this side.
We bring the thunder, OKC. Me and little shorty could never part, tell them fade me. We going ape shit like Beyonce and Jay-Z. Niggas wanna see me drop the ball, they playing safety.
I am completely finished with the other side. Now I'm just finishing off this side and just straightening my hair. Everything you're just doing over and over again, so you should get it by now. So I do this part, then I am completely finished. I have not had my hair straightened since November, and my hair has grown so much and it has been so healthy, and it's just, oh, it's just so pretty. I love this color. I love my hair being straight. I miss it so much, but I'm not gonna constantly do it because I don't want to lose my curl pattern. But yeah, this is just a healthy way to straighten your hair. If you do have natural curly hair and you want to straighten it, then I suggest you go get the Cheese Silk Infusion product line. It is amazing. And yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Never heals.